Hello everyone, I'm here to tell you about gram.cc. I'm here to teach you how to make money online without any investment. I'll tell you how to make extra income on your salaries or on whatever you're collecting. If you need extra income, just go to gramfree.cc or gramfree.network. Gramfree.com is a simple site, a very easy going site that helps you make money, helps you make extra money just by doing three basic steps. Number one, you watch 3 videos per day, which are just 1 minute videos. Number two, you do free rolls, just click on free rolls. Number three, you sign free contracts every day. That's all you need to do. So the only investment you are doing here is your data on your phone or a laptop, or a system that you have. So instead of going online, wasting your time chatting and doing all sorts of things that might not be beneficial to you financially, I would suggest you just spend a little of your time on gramfree.com. You watch videos, do free rolls, and you sign contracts daily. That's all. It won't take you up to 5 minutes. You're done. And the good thing about it is they pay you well. Because when you get to 500 grams, you can order for a withdrawal and it will be sent directly to your account or to whatever cryptocurrency you're using. So you can convert it to crypto. You can receive money directly to your account. So I suggest you start now.